In this video, we are going to discussing about how to configure journals in Odoo 13. So let's start in our accounting module. Here, first we have to create an account for our values. So we created a duplicate for this account. We're creating a duplicate for this. We're changing the code to 09 and change the name as demo, and its type already set it, and we save this. And then now we are going to creating a journal. So inside our configuration we can see here journals. By clicking we can see all our existing journals here, and by clicking create button, here we can create a new journal by specifying a name for this. What we want, we creating here created demo, and you can use as you wish. And here we can see the field for this, and inside the type, the journal types, these parameters prefers if we selected sales, it tells that it's for customer invoice journal, and if we select its purchase, then it tells that it's for vendor bill journals. And if we selected cash or bank, then it's for journals that are used in the customer or the vendor payments. And in the miscellaneous, it's used for general journals. And by selecting each of this, we can see some changes in these tabs and the fields, and it will decide the journal will be look like. And here we selected bank, and here we can specify a short code for this. We specify demo or DM and the next number, and here we can define the default debit account. It means here we can see default debit account and default credit account. The default debit account act as the default account for the debit amount, and the credit account act as a default account for the credit amount. And we can specify the created account we created. So we specify the debit and credit accounts here, and in the bank account tab, here we can specify the bank account and the bank here, and the banks field or we want. And in the advanced settings, we can see the posting, in payment validation, and when it's at the bank reconciliation, and the control access or the entry controls. Here we can see the account type allowed and the accounts allowed, and this allows you to tell Odoo that for this journal only the posting in the corresponding account types or the accounts can be made. And you can specify it if you want that. And by clicking this lock posture entry with hash, and the accounting entry or the invoice receives a hash as soon as it is posted and cannot be modified again. And here we can see the payment method types. It refers or prefers that the incoming payment methods, that the manual type, the payment methods outside from the Odoo, and bank deposit, and this all are specified its payment methods. And then if we selected as cash, here we can see inside the advanced settings we can see the posting. Here we can see the two extra tabs are opened, that is profit account and the loss account. These are for POS. Profit account used to register the profit from the entry balance of the cash register, and as like the loss account is register the loss from the entry balance of the cash register after the computation. And we can save this, and this is all for how to configure the journal in Odoo 13. And thanks for watching this video.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to info@cybrosys.com.